This is a review of the repotting mat for plant transplanting. The brand sent this to me so that way I can test and do a review. And how we put this together is there are little snaps on the corners. And so it's really nice to have this. So then that way I can not only use this for transplanting my little seedlings in the house, but also I can use this for when I am transferring herbs into other containers because I tend to make a mess. See, this is exactly why we need a mat to catch all of the stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, and so this is really awesome because, as you can see here, made quite the mess in here, but not on my floor, which I usually do until now.